Let's see how to log in to Zoho Books. Open your browser and type zoho.com/in/books/. Click Access Zoho Books. If you're already logged in, you'll be taken directly to your homepage. Otherwise, sign in with your Zoho ID and password. Once you're in, you'll see the Zoho Books homepage. On the left side is your navigation menu. This is where you manage everything about your business finances. The Home tab gives you a quick view of your receivables, payables, and cash flow. Under Items, you can manage all your products and services, add prices, and track stock. Inventory helps you monitor stock levels and manage warehouses. In Sales, you can create and manage invoices, estimates, and recurring bills. The Purchases tab helps you track bills, expenses, and vendor payments. With Time Tracking, you can log hours and manage projects for accurate billing. Banking lets you connect your bank accounts and reconcile transactions easily. The Accountant tab is built for managing journal entries and ensuring compliance. In Reports, you can generate detailed financial summaries and insights. And under Documents, you can securely store and organize all your business files. At the bottom, you'll find apps like Zoho Payments and a Configure Features option to customize your setup. That's your quick tour of Zoho Books, everything you need to simplify accounting and take control of your business finances.
Your idea deserves a clear path forward. Share your vision with us, and we'll create the next step workflow to help make it a reality. DM us or comment now. We will provide this in 1 hour.